Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Oh, today we have my Boxycharm box. It is Boxycharm by Ipsy, so let's get into it. See what I've got. In theory, I have 5 full-size products. I will have chosen 3 of them. It is $30 by the time you add on what you have to add on to it. And that's a really great deal for 5 full-size products. I always way get my money's worth. I am in no way sponsored by Ipsy, but I will put a link down below that will take you over to check them out if you are interested. The Boxycharm by Ipsy comes out monthly unless you subscribe also to the icon box. If you also receive the icon box, the month the icon box comes, you will not receive your Boxycharm, which is every 3rd month. We have our paperwork, and then we've got some more goodies. It's kind of heavy. I don't remember exactly what I chose. And I was like, there's more than 5 things in here. Yes, because there's 6. Because I also do the Boost. Boost is something that you can just add to your box, and it comes every month when your Boxycharm comes. Again, if you get the icon box, that month it will come in your icon. So you receive it every month. It just comes in either your Boxycharm or your icon. The Dark Glam Creator TikTok hasn't told you about yet. I don't know anything about that. That is what our paperwork looks like. It's basically just a really big copy of the little one that we had. I'm probably showing this first so you haven't seen it yet, but the little card that comes in your glam bag, this is just kind of a blown up version of that. Luckily, I have Mr. iPad here and he can give us any information that we want about what's in the box. Reaching in, first out, we have a cute little box. It is Dalish Lip Scrub, Polished Pout Boom. That is what the little box looks like. This is one of the products that they chose for me. It has a $19 value, and it says, say goodbye to dry, flaky lips with this sugar lip scrub. This gentle exfoliator removes dead skin, leaving your lips smooth, deeply hydrated, and free of uneven texture. It's the perfect prep for the flawless application of your favorite lip products. I probably shouldn't hold it up when I'm not watching. When we open it up, it is completely flat on the inside. I don't smell anything. I'm gonna go ahead. I have one short nail. I can't show you which finger it's on. You'll have to trust me. It's toward the middle. But that is what it looks like when we take a little out. On the back of my hand, it feels mostly like a lip scrub, but I will admit, can you tell how dry it is? You know, a lot of lip scrubs, they also have oils or that kind of thing in them. This one is extremely dry. I don't know that that's a bad thing. It won't leave you as oily, which I don't necessarily love anyway. Yeah, it has like no scent. And in all fairness, it did not leave me oily or greasy or any of those things. I kind of think that's a good thing, but it definitely has no scent. I went ahead and looked up the ingredients to see if I was like missing a scent, if it would say flavor or anything, and it doesn't. It doesn't talk about any scents or flavors. The only thing that's in it that would have a little scent is it has coconut oil in it. And I know that some of you like to know about coconut oil, but I don't smell coconut. I don't smell coconut. Next out that they chose for me is the Galactic Dewy Rose Petal Face Mist. This is fantastic because I need a face mist. I just ran out of my last one. Remember back in the day? You probably don't, unless you've been here for a really long time. And if you have, thank you so much. We went through a phase where we got face mists in like every box, just every box. I love face mists and I use face mists. And I have used them. There have been a couple that I have thrown away because I have felt like they have aged out of the system and I have moved on to other ones. But I no longer have like backup. I no longer have backup ones. It's got floaties. Can you tell that it's got floaties? It's like rose. Is it supposed to be cloudy like that? We're gonna read about all of these words. I mean, maybe that's how it's supposed to look. Let's see what it says. This rose petal mist is about to become your holy grail for hydrating and setting your face. It's made with rosewater extract to help reduce the redness and calm your complexion, while pink pearl extract helps your skin look glowy, bright, whether you spray it on before makeup to hydrate or after to give yourself a moisturizing boost of dewy goodness. You'll reach for it again and again. Gently shake the mist. So it would infer that, oh yeah, I can see there's stuff down there. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. It's fine. Now that I'm holding it and the light's hitting it this way, It's shiny. That's, yeah, that's like, I will do this in hopes that at some level you can see it. It's, I won't say glitter, but it's kind of glitter. That's what's doing that, is it's kind of got glitter in it. We will see how we feel. Okay. Definitely don't be spraying it at your face the first time because it came out as a steady stream. Post steady stream, it comes out as a fine mist, but with force. So I would back it up a little bit. Rose. Rose. So for those of you who are like, rose, I love the scent. It smells delicious. I like it a lot. So I will probably enjoy putting that on my face. It feels a little sticky. In all fairness, I just squirted that little space like 4 times. That's probably why it's a little sticky. But yeah, I'm going to try it because I love that scent. And if I didn't tell you, that has a $35 value. Now we're going to get into items that I chose. First, we have the Tarte Liquid Blush. I don't know why I do this to myself. It is in pink, which is perfect for me. I am in pink. It's also what my color label says, pink. That is what that looks like. I love the way it looks. It is a $36 value. And it says, this liquid blush is like an instant cheek lift in a tube. The hybrid blush and glow coats cheeks in dewy pink color, and the hydrating formula blends like a dream. With nourishing ingredients like mango butter, diamond powder, and porcelain flower, this gorgeous blush will become a favorite in no time. Well, let's try it on the back of my hand first. I am not great with liquid blushes. It's got a nice little pom-pom on it. I am not great with liquid blushes. I tend to over blush. You know, who's afraid of Baby Jane? Anybody? Anybody who saw my cheeks coming at them. This is not coming out. Is there something special I'm supposed to do? I'm squeezing real hard. Somebody at home right now is screaming at the, you have to take off, or does something come on? Oh. Oh. Well, you could have screamed it louder. So, to save you, in case you get this, it twists to the left, and then you'll have a little space here, and I bet that lets it come out easier. Watch this. Oh, it's already there. I can feel it. Already instantly there. Can you guys see the little pom-pom place that I just did right there? I can make that subtle. Here, let me close it first. Don't forget to close it, Catherine. And then, can we tap it out? See how it feels. I don't love it when it leaves. There are blushes that leave your face feeling, and I don't care for that at all. This is not going to do that, I don't think. I think that, oh, it blended out to almost nothing. It's not going to leave you tacky, I don't think. That is very subtle. Once you tap it out, of course you don't have to tap it out as much as I did, but that is a very subtle look. Shiny though. Can you guys see the shine of it? I like it. I will be playing with that. That's kind of fun. Okay, next, something big. We have a INN Beauty Project Keep It Clean Hydrating Cleanser. I chose this. With Ipsy, they give you choices, but sometimes I should count, but I think it's like between 6 or 7 products. Sometimes none of them are perfect for me. There are things that I already have or items that I can't use, so I pick the best I can, thinking what my girls might like or what you guys might like. Now, in all fairness, I am reading the back of this, and there is nothing back here that I can't use, so that's probably why I chose it. I use the Purity face wash, the Philosophy Purity. I feel like there's other words there. It's the Philosophy Purity face wash. I have for years. I have like a 64-ounce one because it's what I use every day and every night of my life. But periodically, you know, if you can, you just want to try new things. That is what it looks like. Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser. It has a $26 value. And it says, this hydrating gel cleanser helps remove makeup, grime, and extra oil without the skin stripping drama. Packed with amino acids, ceramides, and vegan collagen, this cool combo works its magic, helping to leave your skin soft, hydrated, and oh so smooth. So yeah, I think probably I'll try it. And last out, looks like we have eyeshadows. It is the Eloise Goddess Palette. that is what that looks like. Remember when all we got in these boxes was palettes? It has a $32 value, and it says, indulge in this divine goddess eyeshadow palette that's packed with 9 highly pigmented shades to help you create eye magic. Designed to be mixed and matched, each dazzling shade will have you feeling like the goddess you are. Oh, they're very pretty. It's very neutral, and yet I am drawn to it. That is really pretty. I like that our mattes are this nice creamy one, this kind of slightly brownish beigey rusty one, the dark blue. If you can't tell, that's not black. It is a dark blue. They call it opulent. And then, nope, that's not. I thought for a minute that was a matte, but I turned it. It's not. It's called, actually, it's called Transcendent Beauty. It has almost like, yeah, like a light charcoaly look. Oh my gosh. That would make the prettiest smoky eye. How blue? The blue is pretty blue. Can you see the one in the middle? It's kind of like the, let's see what it does. Oh, that feels lovely. It's this one. When is the last time we had a lovely eyeshadow palette to swatch? That's silver. Oh, silver. Yeah, I'm playing with that. That is pretty. When I say it has a $32 value, so that's kind of fun. If you like this palette, it alone, or actually most of my products alone, would have paid for the price of my box. Now, I also do the Boost. The Boost is basically a $15 add-on to your box. There used to be a wait list. I'm not sure if there still is. Like I said, I'm in no way affiliated. But they chose for me. And again, you can change this too. There are usually 6 other products other than what you were given that you can choose to. But this is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I chose this because it's what my mom is using for moisturizer. She had just changed over to this. So when I saw it as my Boost for $15, I was like, okay then, I know who's going to enjoy this. That is what it looks like with that nice pink lid, and it is, ooh, it is in glass, so it feels really nice. It has a $76 value for this 1.6 ounces. Formulated to deliver deep hydration, Fresh's iconic face cream is enhanced with damask rose extract, a strengthening, hydration protecting ingredient from Rose Valley, Bulgaria. With a light finish that's ideal under makeup, the formula glides onto your skin and works to deliver hydration from multiple angles. High and low molecular weight hyaluronic acids help to instantly and deeply hydrate. Time-release technology supplies continuous all-day moisture, and damask rose extract works to retain hydration, protecting from damaging water loss. Skin is strengthened, dewy, and looks plumped with moisture. So that was $15 additional in my box, and it has a 7. You could probably go to Sephora right now and purchase it for $76. Okay, that was my Boxycharm. So my 5 Boxycharm products. There are 5 products. I chose 3 of them from selections that they gave me, and then I do the Boost. My Boost was the Fresh Moisturizer. My 5 products were the Eloise Goddess Palette, the In Beauty Project Keep It Clean Cleanser, the, who was this? I forget. Girlactic Rose Face Mist. It's falling down in there. The Tarte Blush that just give it a little twist and it will help it open, and that little lip scrub. So that was my Boxycharm for October. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. Like I said, most of those products on their own probably cover the cost of the box. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If it's something that I can answer, I am happy to do it. I thank you so much for coming by. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I appreciate all the interaction that you guys give the channel with your thumbs up and your comments. It helps us out there with the algorithms so much, and I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys have a fantastic evening, and I'll see you soon. Take care.